Hey Carlos,
What's up?
it's Halloween, so we have a bunch of trick-or-treaters coming over and my dog's reactive. Do you have any pointers for me?
Yeah. So if you have a solid place command, use it. Put your dog in place, go take care of the trick-or-treaters, come back. If you don't, keep your dog on a leash. Whether you have a solid place command or you're gonna keep him on a leash, one thing you have to do is exercise your dogs thoroughly before the trick-or-treaters get there to take some of that edge off. Another thing is stop freaking out. Take advantage of such a beautiful opportunity and get the reps. You're never going to have a couple hundred people come to your door. So take advantage and use it for training.